Oh, I'm so excited. I picked up my mail today, and in my mail was the planner from Danielle Laport, which I have done a video. So we're going to do a little unboxing, and we're going to flip through those pages, and I'm going to show it to you, and I cannot wait to use it. You can still order one, and I will put the code in the description so that you can do that if that's something that you're interested in. But let's look at it together today. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I'm so excited. Okay, so it's hardcover, which is like a book, which is very exciting, and it's gold. That's very pretty, and I love the tan is actually in line with my autumnal colors that I love so much. When you open it, it has this belongs to, and it has this. It says, we do not need to focus on fixing ourselves as we focus on living from the heart center, from love. Anything that's not in alignment with the light will begin to fall away. That's a nice reminder. And then it has the Heart Center Way, which is a framework that she's created. So how we look at life is perspective, devotion, vision, creation, connection, and you can go more in depth. And then how to use the planner system, which is really fun. You know, it's not just a planner, it actually has a way to walk through it. So as we go through it throughout the year, I will show more and more of this. It has the astrology overview, the new moons, full moons, eclipses, Mercury retrograde, equinoxes, solstices, and that's fun. The metaphysics days of the week, which I think is a super fun way to think about the week and kind of what rules the week. And so that'll be fun. I'll do a whole video just on this because I think this is just a fun way to like explore the year. Holidays and observances. What's fun about this is she's Canadian and I, of course, am in the US. And so this will have sort of a mix of holidays. And I just really love that. I love to see all the different kinds of holidays and observances that people are doing. Then a full year of 2025, which is always nice to kind of get that breadth, that scope. And then there's the full year of 2026. So some future planning can happen, which is fun. And then we start, and this is the month view, and there's a soul quality. It has the moons on it. It has the holidays, a nice overview. And then I chose the weekly view. So this allows you to have some nourishing thoughts, a soul quality focus, key actions for the week. Over here, you can do some tracking, habit tracking. And then each day has an action plan. And I like the week view for myself because I'm balancing a lot of things. I lead an organization. That's my part-time work. And then I'm a national speaker and I do consulting for organizations and nonprofits nationwide. And so for me, I need to see what my weeks look like. Rather than a daily schedule. So this will be really good. And what's also nice about this, so if you're a freelancer or you work for yourself, it's nice to have a look back at what you've accomplished because we're so forward thinking that I think sometimes we forget that we actually accomplished quite a bit. And so something like this allows you to reflect on what you've done. Speaking of, that has a weekly reflection and a projection of what you want the week to look like. So that's really fun. So it's already focusing you in that way. So you're doing a process of reflection and a process of projection. And then again, it's the week. And then it's same thing. It's a weekly reflection and a projection. And so that's really fun to stay centered and focused and keep going, which I think is great. So each week it's got that. Let's see if it's got like an end of the month. See what happens here. So again, and then we move into February, oh, yeah. And then for the January, it has a reflection of the month that allows you to reflect. And then it has a projection of what you want February to look like. And so it's already built into the planner. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. And then each month it has a different focus. So February's focus is a relationship reflection. So it's got questions to answer, things to think about. And I just really love that it's like whole system, not just to-dos, right? It's a whole system. And I think that's lovely. And then February's keeps going. And then after each week, there's a reflection and a projection. And then it keeps going, and then let's see, March. We can look at what March looks like. The March projection. And then, isn't that fun? Isn't that fun? And the soul quality for March is resilience. Yeah, I think that's really great. I think this is just going to be really fun to use this next year, and I will take you along as I use it. I will be taking you along. The paper quality is nice. It's nice paper. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's got these fun, little tabs here that you could turn up, or turn down, and they have little words on them. I guess you could also cut them off. This one says rooted. This one says guided, lavish. Those are just kind of fun. There's little sayings at the bottom, which are really sweet. There's so much thought that went into this. Let's see if it's got anything on the, oh my gosh, yes. So it's got quarterly reflections, a wellness team review. So, all of the things that you're doing for your actual body, mind and body. It's got about the soul qualities, the 12 soul qualities, a devotional refresh, how to have a devotional practice, how to create nourishing thoughts. It's a basic practice and it tells you how to do it. There's a vision builder and how to build a vision. It's a holistic approach to vision planning and goal setting. It has the heart-centered manifesting practice. So if you're into manifesting, this is this. And fun fact, in 2024, the word of the year is manifest. So that's kind of fun. There's a write and burn ritual, which is fun, and an altar practice. There's a little prayer pack, different prayers, a heart centering practice. Oh, it's just fun. And then just notes in the back, just notes. It is just really lovely. It is just really lovely. It just incorporates so much more than just a planner, and I can't wait to take you along. My plan for 2025 is to use the planner and then maybe do a monthly review of it with you to see how it's going and see how it's working for me. And also just to talk about the processes and, what those tools for reflection and how I'm incorporating that into my life. Yeah, I'm very excited. Oh, I'm just thrilled. I'm just so thrilled. And like I said, there's a code in the back. You can pick one up. And yeah, how fun is that? How fun is that, right? I mean, oh, it's so fun. It's so fun. It was so fun to partner with Danielle Laport. And I really feel like, planning is important because it is how we get things done. I don't think we're supposed to be doing machines. That's not it at all. I think that a holistic approach is the right way. How do you feel about something? How is that moving you forward with your health and your mind and your heart? It has to be in alignment. It's not just doing. I've done that. I've absolutely done that. And I'm just not on the road for that anymore. That's not what I want to do. And so I'm excited about using a tool like this that has a different lens to look at planning. And so I'm also thrilled to take you along on it. And yeah, I get one. You should get one. It's so beautiful. It's so cool. Code's in the description. And I'm just going to be thrilled to take you along the journey with me. And thanks for being part of this. And there will be more. There will be more. And so yeah, let's have a heart-centered year in 2025. Let's build lives that are holistically healthy. That's what I want for you. It's what I want for me.